So this is going to be an upgrade for the Razer Quad 24 volt model. This is the smaller one. One of the biggest issues with this is I'll show you in a little bit, but it's the toe. When you upgrade it, it's more noticeable because you're going a lot faster, but even as stock itself, it's still a little twitchy and a little unpredictable. And I'll show you why. So the toe is how the front wheel points. Typically, you would either have toe out or toe in, depending on what you want. You want more steering or less steering, more stability or not. And what the issue is with this Razer Quad is that the toe bar itself doesn't pivot, or there's no full pivoting bearings or anything on there, so they just run a slightly loose bolt. So what happens is when you're going straight, the wheel will slightly turn in and out on its own. So as you're traveling down the road, the wheel is always going to be slightly shifting, which makes it unpredictable. So what we have is a solution to get rid of that wobble on the toe. What we're replacing is going to be this bar here, this linkage that connects the two wheels together, or the steering. So we can grab an Allen wrench and an open end wrench, and then we'll go ahead and undo those. But if you could see here, the bolt's slightly shifting. You can tighten it up a little bit, but then that will start binding the knuckles together. So we'll get that pulled out right now. Alright, so here is the stock steering bar, the stock hardware, and then we're going to add the adjustable end link on there instead, along with the new hardware to mount this onto the quad. So, one of the features about this is that now you could adjust the toe in and out by twisting this bar and tightening down the nuts after that. So now you could fine tune if you want toe in or toe out, and it'll also get rid of that slop. Install, and you're just going to reverse of what you did. The bolt will go in first, straight through, and then your washer will go on that end, and then the nut. These are going to be 6mm Allen on one end, and then a 13mm hex on the other side. So now we'll go ahead and install the other one. Just like that. And we'll tighten it down. After you set your toe of where you want it, go ahead and tighten these nuts to the outside against the end link, and that will lock it in place. Okay, once we get that tightened down, everything is torqued down, and here we go. You can hear a little bit, but the wheel's not moving at all as far as the toe goes. So now you'll get consistent steering and consistent toe as you're riding along. Check it out on the website. The link will be in the description. Super easy to install. It took about 2-3 minutes to do.